An air conditioning system installation can be a daunting task, even for a relatively small residential system, to say nothing of the larger commercial systems often needed for restaurant air conditioning. Just the decision to purchase a new HVAC unit can be a major undertaking, requiring no small amount of effort on the part of you, the business owner, management, partners, and anyone else involved with your business. For these reasons, you want to choose an HVAC company in Greenville that you can count on to ensure that your investments are valued and result in an exceptional, reliable air conditioning system to keep your customers cool and comfortable. Every business owner should have access to a dependable, professional air conditioning service for their Greenville, South Carolina business to keep that system running smoothly and in good repair. An efficient, well-running air cooling system will not only keep your customers comfortable and happy, but it will also keep your ongoing energy and repair-related costs at a minimum. Don't wait until your restaurant's air conditioning system breaks to call in a repair technician. Be proactive and let the experts at General Air take care of your preventative maintenance needs, keeping your restaurant's air conditioning unit operating at peak performance all year long. Over the past 50 years, General Air of Greenville, South Carolina has carefully built a reputation for providing top-quality HVAC services for restaurants in Greenville, providing heating and air services to a broad array of commercial businesses and restaurants in particular, large and small. In addition to keeping your restaurant's HVAC systems properly maintained and in good repair, we have the ability to assist with your restaurant's refrigeration needs, hot deck items, including cooking and warming equipment, fire safety and suppression, duct and hood cleaning, and more. Our team is made of the best HVAC technicians in the upstate for restaurant, residential, and commercial heating system repair. If your commercial heating system is in need of a repair, give us a call today. We have emergency HVAC service available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. Trust General Air to ensure that you and your guests are comfortable in your building all year round.